Hi everyone, making akara with a little twist in this episode. I have cleaned the beans, washed off the skin and blended with fresh chili and onion. I start by adding a little more red chopped onion and fresh chili. Then I add some cooked shredded Titus fish, a teaspoon of CAM APS and a quarter teaspoon of salt. Give it a thorough mix. If you want your akara to come out fluffy, mix it in a circular form consistently for about a minute or two. Preheat a good amount of vegetable oil. When it's hot enough, in small scoops, add your beans mixture and fry for 3 minutes on both sides. Ever wondered how akara with Titus fish would taste? Give it a try. It's delicious. Depending on how you like it, you can leave it much longer, but once it's golden brown, you can take it out. But I like mine crunchy on the outside. And it's ready! Put in a sieve and allow any excess oil to drain out. Thanks for watching this episode. Please come back next week for another exciting recipe. I'm DjCam. If it tastes good, eat it!